The Michigan Court of Appeals has made a decision in the case of Adeline Hambley, the embattled Ottawa County Health Officer fighting to keep her job. The new members of the Ottawa County Commission have been trying to remove her since taking office in January. They were opposed to policies put in place during the pandemic. 13 News Side's Josh Albertus has been following this story from the beginning. He joins us now. And Josh, you were in the court for the hearing yesterday. What did those judges say?
Well, the judges ruled that Hambley was rightfully appointed as health officer, that she is the permanent person in that position rather than on an interim basis like the county was arguing. Now, in that sense, this was a major victory for Hambley, but both sides have indicated it is not yet over. The Michigan Court of Appeals ruling on Wednesday in the case of Adeline Hambley, Ottawa County's health officer battling to keep her job. In their opinion, the court ruled that Hambley is the appointed Ottawa County health officer rather than on the interim basis that the county was arguing, based on minutes from the previous Board of Commissioners that listed the county's approval as a contingency of her hiring.
We disagree with the reasoning of the court. We think it's very clear. The minutes of the meeting control, not the resolution. You can't have a resolution that changes what the minutes recorded of what the actual vote and decision of the board was.
The Court of Appeals also ruling, however, that the county does have the authority to remove Hambley from her position if they can prove that she is, quote, incompetent or guilty of official misconduct or habitual or willful neglect of duty. This means that commissioners are still able to go ahead with a termination hearing scheduled for later this month.
We're very pleased that the Court of Appeals agreed with us and that the board can follow the law, and they intend to do so. And the hearing will be held on the 24th of October, starting on that day.
The board is alleging incompetence for actions Hambley took during the county budget process that she said fell within her duties as health officer. Hambley's attorney on Tuesday, however, saying they worry it will not be a fair process, given the events in January when commissioners attempted to remove Hambley, which led to her lawsuit.
We know what they've intended since day one, and so it's really hard to have a lot of faith in this commission as an impartial decider of the facts, given all of the statements they've made since the beginning that what they want to do is install their own person.
In the week and a half left before the hearing, both sides are gearing up.
We will present a full case in her defense at the hearing, and if they remove her, then we'll go back to the court and ask for relief from the court.
She'll have her day.
And the judges did send this case back to trial court, but Coleman said the county plans to appeal that ruling on Hambley's position to the Michigan Supreme Court. In the newsroom, Josh Albertus, 13 on your side.